got up, so I think it's a little bit sleepy.
Sorry, you're a little bit sleepy. Okay, so can everyone turn their cameras on, please? Okay, thank you, Chung Hu. Ting, is your camera working yet?
Sorry, it's not okay.
Okay, and Ming Nok.
Yes.
Okay, can you turn your camera on, please, Ming Nok?
Um, just a little bit. I will take my my earphone. Yes.
Okay. Have you had a good week at school, Chung Hu?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, good. Have you had any tests this week, Chung Hu?
No, I don't have
No.
any festival.
Okay, good. Okay, so not too stressful for you. All right, so just waiting to see what other students are going to join us. So there should be how many in this class? There should be may up to 12, maybe 12 students in this class. So only 3 so far. So I'm just going to wait and see, since it's not quite 10 a.m. yet. So here in New Zealand, it's coming into spring. In fact, it is spring, although it's been a little bit cold the last couple of days, which is why I've got my sweatshirt on. So today the temperature is about 16 degrees here, although it's sunny. So not too bad, but the wind is quite cold. How is the weather there, Ting? Ting?
I think it's sunny now.
Sorry, it's sunny?
Sunny?
Yeah. And what do you think the temperature is? About?
I think about 30.
About 30. Oh, okay. So not cold at all. It's quite warm today. Okay. Who else can I see? Fong Dok Ang. Fong Dok
Yes,
Ang.
yes.
Chào Gon. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. All right. Just waiting for everyone to join the class. Have you had a good week, Fong Dok Ang?
Um, actually, I think it's good.
Good. Okay. Who else can I see? Ha Ling. Chào Gon.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Ha Ling?
I'm good.
Good. Nok Ling. Xin chào Nok Ling.
Teacher,
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Nice to see you. Have you had a good week, Knockling?
Yes.
Have you had any tests this week?
No. This week, my school have an anniversary, so
Mm,
I have to study.
right. Okay. Okay. Who else can I see? Kwang Ming. Can you hear me? Kwang Ming.
Yes, hello, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Kwang Ming. Good. Can you turn your camera on, Kwang Ming? I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. That's better, Kwang Ming. That's great. Can see you clearly now. Much better. Okay, I'll just wait another minute or so because we should have, like I say, up to about 12 students. And then I will tell you what we're going to be doing today.
Quỳnh Liên, she's a little bit late, okay, because
Okay,
she's coming from school.
okay. Thank you, Mrs. Ha. Okay, and I can see that Bao Ling is joining. Is anyone else away, Mrs. Ha? Maybe not. Okay. Bao Ling, Chao Gon.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Bao Ling?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. And Feng Ling. Feng Ling.
Hello,
Xin
teacher.
Chao. How are you, Feng Ling?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so I showed some of my friends here the pictures of your army training, Feng Ling.
Yes.
I so thought they were very interested, very interested. Yeah, because teenagers here don't do that.
Oh.
So they were very, very interested to see what Vietnamese young people do. So yeah, that was good. So thank you for sending me the pictures, Feng Ling. Very interesting. Bao Lang, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay, that's great, Bao Lang. Okay, I think we have enough people here now, so we will get started. What I'm going to do today, everyone, is because I want to get an idea of how everyone is getting on with their studies. So I'm going to give you a test, okay? So the lesson today will be a test, like a mini Ielts test. So you're going to be doing some reading, some speaking, and writing task too. But before we start, to make it a little bit easier, I will explain exactly what I want. And so once we've done the test, and like I say, the test will take us all of the lesson today, that will give me a good idea of what level you are at and maybe where you need to improve. Okay? And then in another few weeks, I will give you another test to see if you are improving. Before we start, does anyone have any questions for me? Okay, so first of all, I'd like to say it was great, really great to see you all face to face the last couple of weeks. I really enjoyed meeting you again and really enjoyed spending time talking with you and, of course, being in Hanoi. So I'm looking forward to coming back already looking forward to coming back. Okay, so going to, first of all, share with you what you're going to be doing. Okay, Bao Lang,
Yes.
can you see the reading?
Yes.
Okay, good. So everyone, so this is just a short reading test. I'm going to get you to send me the answer in chat. Okay? The answers in chat to make sure no one is just copying someone else's answer. But before we do that, first of all, I will explain this reading passage, okay? This is a band 9 reading passage. So if you want to get more than a 7 in the test, you should be able to answer these questions correctly. Okay? So there are only 3 questions, but like I say, if you want to get a band 7, you need to be able to answer them correctly. If you can't answer all 3 correctly, means we need to do some more work with your reading. Bao Lang,
Yes.
can you read the first sentence for me, please?
Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are becoming increasingly important in the global effort to combat climate change.
Okay, good. Good, that's fine. Are there any words there you don't understand, Bao Lang?
No.
Okay, just careful of your pronunciation of this one. It is hydroelectric. Can you say that, please, Bao Lang? Hydroelectric.
Hydroelectric.
Hydroelectric means what? Means power produced by what, Bao Lang? Power produced by what?
By water.
By water, exactly. Hydro, everyone, in case you don't already know, hydro means water. Hydro. Okay, so this is electricity produced by water. Feng Ling.
Oh my God. Hello, teacher. I'm so sorry for being late.
That's okay.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
I woke up
Okay.
at 7 a.m. and I suddenly overslept
You woke
for
up,
schools.
what? You woke up at 7 a.m., then overslept.
Yes.
Okay, doesn't matter. Glad to have you joining the class. Okay, Feng Ling,
Yes.
can you please read the second sentence for me?
These energy sources are sustainable and environmentally friendly alternatives to fossil fuels, which are responsible for a significant portion of greenhouse gas.
Okay, emissions. That's good, Feng Ling. Like I say, everyone, these are band 9 reading words. Okay, so if you want to get a score above 7, you need to understand what most of these words mean. Sustainable, sustainable. Bao Ling,
Yes.
what does sustainable mean? Can you tell me?
I know the word, but like it's stable and good.
Very good. That's pretty close, darling. Sustainable just means something that you can keep on doing easily. Okay, so an energy source which is sustainable means an energy source that you are not going to run out of. Okay, something, for example, such as wind power or solar power. We are never going to run out of wind or sunshine. So they are very sustainable energy resources, unlike something like petrol or coal, which we will run out of sooner or later. Okay. This collocation here, significant portion. Kwang Ming.
Yes.
Significant portion. What does this collocation mean? A significant portion. Can you give me a synonym, please?
The word portions, I have no idea about this word.
Okay. All right. Can you guess? Maybe guess from the context.
I think it's like a percentage or proportion.
Close. Portion, everyone. Portion just is another word for piece. Piece.
Yes.
Okay. Does that make sense, Kwang Ming?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So a significant portion just means a big piece or big part. Okay. So portion just means like a piece of something or a part of something. Significant means big.
So it's like a synonym to contribution.
It's a synonym. It means big contribution. Big contribution.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Portion is like, yeah, it can be contribution, similar. But portion, like I say, is the same as a part or a piece of something. Portion. Okay. Next sentence, please. Nok Ling.
Governments and organizations worldwide are investing in renewable energy projects to reduce the carbon footprint and promote a cleaner, more suitable future.
Okay. Just check this word, Nok Ling. This word here is sustainable. Can you pronounce that for me, please?
Sustainable.
Good. Sustainable. Remember, I said sustainable means something that you can keep on doing or that will keep on going and you never run out of it. Okay, so like I was saying before, wind power is a sustainable form of energy. Solar power is a sustainable form of energy because we're not going to run out of wind and sun. Okay, and just the other one I wanted to check, this word here. Okay, simple word, but just want to check that you know what it means. Haling.
Yes.
Investing. What does to invest in something mean?
I think it's like devoting, like
Yeah. Like what? Yeah. You are on the right track, Harling. Devoting what? If you invest in an energy project, what are you doing? You're devoting what to it?
like the devoting some money for.
Correct. Good. It was simple. Devoting money. Okay, if you invest in something, well, usually it refers to money, usually. Okay, investing usually refers to money. Okay, everyone, so just in case you missed what I want you to do, what we're doing for the lesson today is I'm giving you a mini Ielts test, a small Ielts test. So this is the reading passage. What I want you to do now, okay, here are the 3 questions. I want you to send the answers to me in chat. Send me your answers to these 3 questions in chat. Are there any questions? Okay, your answers won't be long, by the way. The answer should only be 1 sentence for each question. 1 sentence for each question, okay? So as soon as you have done... Sorry?
Can I see the passage in the question?
So you can't see the passage. Okay, let me see.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, I see it. Thank you.
Okay, good. So, like I say, 1 sentence answer for each question. And we're doing this test, again, I remind you, so I need to know if you can do words vocabulary at this level or not. So I need to get an idea.
Sorry, teacher, I said the wrong answer.
No, that's fine. That's the answer for number 1 you sent me, Baoling. Okay?
I will send the whole answer.
Yeah, send all the rest together. Thank you, Baoling. But your answer to number 1 is correct, Baoling, by the way. And like I was saying before, everyone, if you want to get a score of 7 in the IELTS, you should be able to get these 3 questions correct. They are not that hard. But some of the vocabulary might be a bit unfamiliar to you. Okay, thank you, Huang Ang. Yes, you're supposed to change it to me, Huang Ang, not to everyone.
I know. I'm just like to hurry.
Right. No need to hurry. There's no hurry for this, but yeah.
Yes, but I didn't pee this morning because I just woke up.
Okay. All right. Well, do you want to go now?
Yes, if you let me to, then
Of
thank
course.
you.
Of course. Please go. Thank you, Ming Nok. Okay. Everybody, easiest if you send me all 3 answers together, not one at a time. So all 3 answers together, everyone, please. Okay, thank you, Knockling. I've got all of yours. Thank you, Ha Ling. I've got all of yours. Thank you, Ting. I've got yours. Thank you, Bao Lang. I've got yours. Thank you, Chung Hu. Fong Duk Ang, I've got yours. Just be careful of your English in the answer to number 2, Fong Duk Ang. Okay, your English isn't quite correct.
Okay.
I will show you in just a moment what is wrong. Same for you, Kwang Ming. Your answer to number 3 has a mistake in it. So just be careful with your English. And for you, Bao Ling. Okay, thank you, everyone. Everyone sent me their answer, and everyone is correct. Just some small mistakes that I can see. First of all, I saw your correction. Thank you, Bao Ling. Kwang Ming.
Yes.
Okay, just be careful. Looking at your answer to number 3, Kwang Ming. Just be
Yeah.
careful with your spelling. Okay, so can you see your answer, Kwang Ming?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so the first word should be you haven't spelt government correctly. Okay, is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one, remember, organization is plural. Okay, so
Yes.
needs an S.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's thing.
All right, I think everyone else is correct. So from now on, everyone, I will remind you of these small mistakes, even though they are only little mistakes. If you make too many of these, you will lose marks in the test. Okay, so I will remind you when you make a small mistake. Okay, so I think everyone got the answers correct. I'll show everyone the full answers. Okay, Chung Hu, can you see the answers?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, good. All right. So most of you, okay, in fact, all of you got this part. probably better to have the whole sentence, okay, which help combat climate change, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so you did say why they are important, which is the correct answer, but this is the
Sorry,
full
sorry.
sentence.
I haven't seen the answers yet. What
You
I see
can't
is
see.
just
Yeah, you
yes.
should be able. You should be able to see the answers, Wang Ang. I'm sharing them. Ming Nok, Ming Nok,
Yes.
can you see the answers? I'll share it
I
again.
haven't.
I'll share them again. Okay, I'll share it again just to make sure. Can you see them now, Huang Ang?
No, not
What I see is just the passage and the questions.
You can see passage and question, but not the answers. Okay, try again.
no. Maybe scrolling up.
Maybe scrolling up. Try again, see what happens.
Okay, this fine.
You can see now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Ha. Okay, everyone. So what I was saying before, everyone got number one correct. Okay, these are the three examples: solar, wind, hydroelectric. Number two, okay, everybody got this part correct, but to make it a full answer, probably best to include this. I know you did, Ting, which is good. Okay, help combat climate change. Okay, that is also another reason why energy sources are important. Okay, and again, same thing for number three. I think everyone got this bit. They are investing in renewable energy projects, but to give a full answer, okay, this was the full answer: to reduce their carbon footprint and promote a cleaner future. Ming Nok.
Yes.
Do you know what carbon footprint means? Do you understand what this phrase means?
Yes, I understood it.
Okay, good. Is there anyone who doesn't understand about carbon footprint? I think most people in the world have heard of this by now. Carbon footprint just means how much fossil fuel you are burning in your country. For example, petrol, coal, gas. These are all fossil fuels. Wood also. Okay? And the more fossil fuel that you burn, the more carbon you release into the atmosphere. And that is called your carbon footprint. So every country these days is trying to make their carbon footprint smaller, or in other words, make the amount of carbon that they release into the atmosphere less to help reduce global warming. Hope that makes sense to everyone. Okay. All right, on to number two, which is going to be the writing. Now, while you're doing the writing, everyone, I'm going to also give you the speaking test. But the speaking test is going to be part two only. Like I say, this is a mini Ielts test, not the whole test, but still gives me an idea of what level or standard you are at. However, this is writing task 2. Okay. Bao Lang.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, sorry, Bao Lang, I got you to read it last time, didn't I? Sorry, my mistake. Huang Ang.
Yes.
Can you please read the topic for me, everything?
Okay. Some people believe that children should have homework every day. All others think that homework is unnecessary and that children should spend their free time playing. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion.
Okay, good reading. Bao Lang,
Yes,
what sort of essay is this? What type?
discuss.
Correct. Okay. Obviously, this is a discussion essay. All right. So, as usual, what I want to see in your answer is 4 paragraphs. Okay. Introduction. You should all know what to do in an introduction by now. If you don't, I will find out when you write it for me. Okay, so this is why this is a test. All right, you need to give one paragraph, one body paragraph on why children should do homework daily. Okay, one body paragraph on either why homework is unnecessary or why children need to spend time playing. Okay, so one paragraph on why you think children should do homework maybe every day, okay? And then another paragraph on why maybe that is a bad thing and that children need to spend more time playing. All right. Then in the 4th paragraph, which of course is your conclusion, okay, you need to give me your opinion. Which one do you agree with and why? All right, so usual length for an essay, 150, 180 words. Does anyone have any questions? I'm going to share the document with you now so you can write in this document, everyone. Okay, please write in this document. And as I said before, while you are all writing, I'm going to give you each the speaking test, part 2, which is why I've allowed a bit of extra time for this. So this is what you are doing for the rest of the lesson, is to finish this essay and do the speaking test with me. So we have 1 hour left of the lesson, which is plenty of time for you to do a task 2 essay and also do a speaking test. Plenty of time. Are there any questions before you start? Any questions? So I'm not going to give you any more clues because, like I say, this is a test just to see how much you remember of the structure and how well you can answer the question, how well you can write. This is a test, so I can find out what level you are at. So if there are no more questions, please start.
Teacher,
Yes, Kwangming.
it looks like you lock the fixing, so we can't write on it.
You can't write on it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Hang on just a
Viewer,
moment.
because you click on viewer. No,
Yeah.
yeah, and editor. Okay.
So I click on editor.
Yeah, editor. Okay. That's fine. Okay, done.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mrs. Ha. Thank you, Kwangming,
Yeah.
for pointing that out. Okay, we're going to start with the speaking now. Huang Ang. Huang Ang.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, Huang Ang.
Uh,
It's all right. I'm just looking at what I'm going to do next, Huang Ang. All right, Huang Ang. Okay, can you please... Yeah, I don't think I can't share 2 documents at once. Bit confusing, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the speaking topic in chat. Okay, Hoàng Anh?
Okay.
I'm going to send it to you in chat. Okay, can you see that, Hoàng Anh?
Okay. I see that. I see that.
Okay, okay, good. All right. So, Hoàng Anh, you have 1 minute to prepare, okay?
Okay.
Starting from now, Hoàng Anh, 1 minute. Thank you. Okay, Hoàng Anh, are you ready?
I guess I'm ready.
Okay. You have no choice. All right. Okay, Hoàng Anh, you have 2 minutes starting from now, please.
So this well, I went to this trip from after finishing my high school test in Vietnam, and I was just really relaxed. I went to a mountain to a resort near the Mount Bavi mountain area, which is near a river, and it's pretty beautiful. Um, I went with my all my family and also my own family. Mm, we have an we stay on 2 cabins, right? Oh my God. Mm.
Okay, have you finished, Hoàng Anh, or not? Or can you keep going?
I think I can keep going, but I just don't know how to speak more because
Okay.
I haven't had any specific trips, to be honest.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's fine, Hoàng Anh. No, that gives me an idea. All right. Thank you, Hoàng Anh. All right. So you can go back to the writing now, Hoàng Anh. Okay?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Hoàng Anh. Okay, Bao Lang.
Yes.
Okay, Bao Lang, you are next for the speaking test, okay?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you the topic in chat, okay, Bao Lang? So let me know when you can see it.
I see it.
Okay, can you see it, Bao Lang?
Yes.
Okay, you have 1 minute to prepare starting from now. Okay, Bao Lang, that's the end of your minute. So you have 2 minutes to give me your talk, starting from whenever you're ready, Bao Lang.
So when it comes to a memorable trip that I've ever gone, I immediately think about the trip with my family to go to Da Nang City. Uh, this is a really beautiful place with blue sea, and there's also this is also an exciting city with lots of restaurants, hotels, and many kind of service activities. I really like it because I I tried a lot of food in there, and actually I fall in love with the cuisine in there. There are many delicious foods such as the seafood and the specialty called mee guap. And actually in Hanoi, I never tried the mee guap before, so I feel really excited, and um, I think that is a really, really tasty food, and I really want to try it again. Um, Another things that I really like is because I went to Da Nang on really, crowded vacations. That's our Independent Day. So, uh, is there are many activities like I can see the bridge with the dragon, and uh, you know, that is so beautiful because the dragon have fire and some sort of things, and that's really interesting. Uh, so after that, when I came back to Hanoi, I really, I my memories like really, I don't know how to say it, but I really remember my memory in there, and I really want to.
Okay, thank you, Bao Lang. That's 2 minutes. Thank you. Okay, good. You spoke for 2 minutes. Okay, thank you, Bao Lang. You can go back to the writing now. Any questions before you go, Bao Lang?
No.
Okay, thank you, Bao Lang. I will listen back to these, by the way, everyone, and mark them. I will let you know your mark later. Okay, what I think you got. Feng Ling.
Yes.
Okay, Feng Ling, I'm going to send you the speaking topic now, okay? In chat.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, can you see it, Feng Ling?
Oh, yes, I can see it now.
Okay, good. So you have 1 minute to prepare, Feng Ling, starting from now. Okay, Feng Ling, that is the end of your 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk, up to 2 minutes. Please start any time you like, Feng Ling. Thank you.
Um, ủa, uh, I will I will talk about my 1 week military. Uh, can you wait?
We'll start again. You were getting a lot of feedback, Feng Ling. I don't know why suddenly. Can you fix that, Feng Ling?
Is better?
That's better. That's better. Okay. Are you ready to start, Feng Ling?
Yes.
Okay. Please start whenever you're ready.
I will talk about my 1 week military camp last year. Is a 1 week military camp is a mandatory subject in my high school. In last year, I have learned. I have went to uh, that camping site, and I think it's about 30 kilometers from Hanoi. So it's around 40 to 60 minutes by car. And last year in that camp, I learned how to assemble and disassemble a gun, and I think it's hard for a girl like me to to use it because that gun was really heavy. The gun we use to learn, we use were real, but I the teacher said that they are modified and all the dangerous part have been removed, and so they couldn't fly. So it's safe for us to use for science. No, for um for education. Mm. And we live together in the big room, and each room we have, I think, around 10 to 12 people, and and
Okay, that's the end of 2 minutes, Feng Ling.
oh,
Thank you. That's 2 minutes already. Okay. All right. Thank you, Feng Ling. You can go back to the essay now. Any questions, Feng Ling, before you go?
no, I don't have.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Feng Ling. Bao Ling.
Yes.
Okay, Bao Ling, I'll send you the speaking topic now, okay? Can you see it, Bao Ling?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 1 minute to prepare, Bao Ling, starting from now. Okay, that's 1 minute, Bao Ling. So you have 2 minutes to give me your talk. Please start when you're ready. Thank you, Bao Ling.
Yes. Um, one of the okay, can I start?
Sure.
One of the most memorable trip I have is a trip to Dragon Park that I go with my school and my class. It was a memorable experience that I never forget. First, we went to Hạ Long last week, and uh, it's like uh, it have a breathtaking atmosphere, and is a popular tourist destination in Hạ Long and in Vietnam. And first we went to Hạ Long by a coach, and I go with my class. Then we rent a hotel nearby, and pack uh, our our uh, things in hotel, and I change my clothes and go to the Dragon Park. And um the park had several playing instruction, such as like a roller coaster, um like like water water roller, and yes, and many things. And in here, I'll play a lot of things, and go to eat some food with my friends, and and we after we finish the trip in Dragon Park, we went back to hotel and have a meal, uh, have a dinner with.
Okay, thank you, Bao Ling. That's 2 minutes. 2 minutes already. Okay, Bao Ling, thank you. Just one thing I will mention, Bao Ling. Remember past tense. Okay, past tense. A couple of times you said I go to. Okay, when you should have said, of course, I went to. I went to, or we went to. Okay, Bao Ling. Okay, so just please don't forget these are all past tense. These talks. Thank you, Bao Ling. Okay, you can go back to the writing now. Any questions, Bao Ling?
No.
Okay, thank you, Bao Ling. Quang Minh.
Yes.
Okay, Quang Minh, I'm going to send you the speaking topic in chat, okay?
Yeah.
Can you see it, Quang Minh?
Yes.
Okay, you have 1 minute to prepare, starting from now. Okay, thank you, Quang Minh. That's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give
Yes.
your talk. Please start whenever you're ready, Quang Minh. Thank you.
Yeah. So in the last summer holiday, I have a chance to go to Hạ Long Bay, which is famous for UNESCO recognizing as a World Heritage. And I went to there with my family. Unfortunately, we have there's in Hạ Long Bay they have my uncle house, so we don't have to pay money for accommodation. So the element to contribute to this memorable trip is I think the most important thing is scenery, because in Hạ Long Bay there's it can say magnificent and miracle scenery of small island. You know, it's famous for some green small island. And I've impressive about the regional food as well. It's famous for seafood like lobster, some kind of street food, and so on. And in Hạ Long Bay is also famous for the entertainment accommodation. It have the Sun World. It is the complex of some of many entertainment um, things like roller coaster and um, the water park, I guess so, and anything else. Um, and I think the mm,
Okay, that's 2 minutes, Kwang
uh,
Ming. 2
yes,
minutes already. Thank you. Okay, so good. Your pronunciation's very clear, Kwang Ming. That's good.
yes, thank you.
Excuse me. Sorry, everyone. Just one thing, Kwang Ming. Careful how you pronounce the word island. It's island. I know it's
Yeah,
spelled
yeah. Island. Oh,
ISLAND, but the
yeah.
S the
I forgot
S
about
is
that.
S is silent, of course. So it's island.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions, Kwang Ming? Do you have any
No,
questions for me?
today.
All right.
No,
Thank you,
no.
Kwang Ming. Please go
Yes.
back to the writing now. Thank you. Nok Ling.
Yes.
Okay, Nok Ling, I'm going to send you the writing topic in chat. Can you see it, Nok Ling?
Yes, I can
Good.
see it.
Okay, good. You have 1 minute to prepare starting from now. Okay, Nok Ling, that's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Last year, I have a memorable trip with my class. We went to Hạ Long Bay and we live in Oco Hotel. In this holiday, um, we went to Sun World Hạ Long, and we had many games like the high train. It's so exciting. We had eat many seafood there. It's very delicious. And I think it's a chain with all of my students to reinforce their friendship and have a great time together. It's a memorable experience with me.
Have you finished, Knockling?
Yes, I think yes.
Okay, that was only 1 minute. Sorry. Remember, you're supposed to talk for 2.
Yes.
For 2. Okay. Thank you, Knockling. Any question for me at the moment?
Thank you.
All right. Like I say to everyone, I will come back to you with your marks later. All right? With the marks I've given you. Okay. Thank you, Knockling. You can go back to the writing now. Harling.
Yes.
Okay, Harling. I'm going to send you the topic in chat. Can you see it, Harling?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 1 minute, Harling, to prepare starting from now. Okay, Harling, that's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Yes, I'm gonna share with you a special car chip that's still remain vivid in my memories up to now. It took place when I was about like 10 years old and my family was heading to the beach, Hạ Long Bay for a short summer vacations. The day of our journey began bright and early, and we set off before the sun had even risen. Yeah, the drive was estimated to take like 5 hours. I think. So me and my brother decided to play some games and listening to the music along the way, just a part of the time. Um, and like I said, I went to Hạ Long Bay. It's located in Hạ Long City, in Quảng Ninh province. Yeah. It is about like 200 kilometers from Hanoi and from Hanoi to Hạ Long. Um, uh, when we visit the Hạ Long base, like the weather in there is very warm and sunny. There are lots of beautiful caves and island in Hạ Long. So you must to take a boat trip and go sightseeing. Yeah, well, my family is use um it was like a boat to come like to explore the oceans. Um, we swimming like whole the time, and then in the lunch we have some seafood restaurants to eating, and it's very
Okay, thank you. That's 2 minutes, Harling. Thank you. Okay, so you talk for 2 minutes. That's good. Just one thing I noticed: the correct pronunciation of the sun coming up is risen. Okay,
yeah, yes.
I thought I think you said risen. Okay,
A little bit nervous, so
yeah. Don't worry. That's why we practice. So don't worry, Harling. Okay, so risen, risen. All right. Thank you, Harling. Any questions?
no.
Okay, please go back to the writing. Thank you. Phung Duk Ang.
Yes.
Okay, Phung Duk Ang, I'm going to send you the speaking topic in chat now. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you've got 1 minute to prepare, starting now. Okay, thank you, Phung Duk Ang. That's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you.
When I was 10, I remember it was summers. My family decided go to somewhere is fresh to avoid of hot. So I and my father, my mother, and my brother go to the Halong Bay. It has um the it has a high mountain and some uh white sand in the in near my hotel. We stay it in a hotel near to FLC. So we have a beautiful view in the beach, and uh in that time I was astonished with a uh beautiful and clear the sea. I can I swim. No, 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 no. I have a race with my brother.
Okay, that's 2 minutes. Thank you, Phung Duk Ang. Okay, you managed to talk for 2 minutes, so that's good. Just remember, it is past tense, Fung Duk Ang, that you are using, of course. What is the past tense of go? What is the past tense?
Went.
Went, correct. Okay, so you must always use went. Okay, you said go a few times. Okay, but remember, it's always went. Okay, any questions from Dokang?
I have a small information for you.
Yeah.
In Vietnam, we don't have a verb of oh yeah. Uh, we don't have a verb of past or future or present, so we just say infinitive verb.
Sure, I understand.
So
For
I
Dokang.
usually miss past or future.
Of course, I understand. Fung Dokang. Okay, that's fine. I have heard that before. Okay, so I understand. I know it's a little bit difficult, but you just have to try to remember. All right, when you are talking about things in the past, you have to use simple past.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Fung Dokang. You can go back to the writing now. Ming Nok, oi.
Yes.
Okay, Ming Nok. I know you've been waiting with excitement for this. Is that right? All right, I'm sending you the topic now.
Oh, yes, I can see the topic.
Okay, good. All right, you have 1 minute, starting now, Ming Nok. Ming Nok, that's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Yes. So I have got a lot of memorable trips in my life, but if I said about the most memorable, I would say about the trip to Nha Trang Beach. It was just a really livable and must visit place in Vietnam. I can remember that I really love its night market and their nightlife is really lively and enjoyment. So that is a time that when I went to the night market with my families, we enjoy the foods there, the cuisines there, like some seafood or maybe just some sweets. But suddenly, when I when I tended to take my pockets to purchase for the shop set, I found that my my wallet was stolen. I feel really like embarrassed and I feel really scared because my mother was warned me before that you should be careful with some pocket picker in the night market, but I don't think it's happened to me. So in my pocket is only some changes left and my phone. I think it's luckily that I got my phone left. I feel like, yes, a little embarrassment that I have to I have to calm down and then I phone to my mother. But well, fortunately,
Okay, thank you, Ming Nok. That's 2 minutes already. Thank you for that. Um, just one thing I will correct with your pronunciation. Most of it was correct, Ming Nok, but you did say lively. You did say lively. I heard you say when you meant to say lively, pronounce lively. Do you remember that? You were talking about Na Chang, okay, and how and then you said how lively it was. Did you mean to say lively or lovely? Can you
yes,
remember?
yes, I say I think about that word that Lively, but
Yes. Yeah, yeah,
maybe I
yeah.
missed that to lively.
That's okay. So it's yes, pronounce lively, not lively. Okay. But yeah, don't worry. That's why we do these practice sessions. So help connect your pronunciation. Okay. Thank you, Ming Nok. Any questions for me?
No, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ming Nok. Please go back to the writing. Ting, oi.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Ting. I'm going to send you the writing topic now, okay? Can you see it, Ting?
Yeah, I hear.
Okay, you have 1 minute to prepare, starting from now. All right, that's the end of 1 minute, Ting. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Mm, mm, I will describe my memorable trip I have taken. This trip, I went to Halong. I went to with my class. Uh, in Halong, I my class stay in the hotel, and the hotel is very comfortable. Mm, I traveled to Halong in mm, 11 a.m. and first in that I have lunch with my class. After that, I staying, I relax in the hotel and come back to the home in 3 p.m. to have the team building activity. In team building activity, I play some games in beach. Uh, After the activity, um, me and my class go to the swimming pool in the fifth floor in the hotel.
Have you finished, Ting? It's almost 2 minutes. 1 minute 55. So that's almost 2 minutes.
Okay, I think the time is end.
Yeah. Okay. So that gives you an idea of how long 2 minutes feels, Ting.
I don't like some memorable in part two.
I
Do you like
know.
that?
I know. Sometimes it's hard to think of something within 1 minute. I know, but obviously for the test, this is what you are going to have to do. So that's why we're practicing this now. All right. So I will give everyone some more tips about this later. All right. Thank you, Ting. So you can go back to the writing now. Thank you. Chung Hu.
Yeah.
Okay, Chung Hu, I'm going to send you the speaking topic in chat now.
Oh, right. Oh,
Okay, can you see it, Chung Hu?
yeah, I see.
Okay, so you've got 1 minute to prepare, starting from now. All right, Chung Hu, that's the end of 1 minute. So you have 2 minutes to give your talk. Please start whenever you're ready. Thank you. Can you hear me, Chung Hu?
Trung Hiếu ơi, thầy gọi trả lời luôn. Trung Hiếu ơi, bật mic lên con. He disappears on the
He
screen.
disappears suddenly.
No, he
Oh,
is
there
here.
he is.
Con chú ý vào
Okay.
chưa? Bật
Yeah.
mic lên,
So
thầy hỏi
sorry,
ngay đây.
my headphone was broken. Can't
Okay.
quite hear you.
Mhm.
Okay, are you ready to start now, Chung Hu?
Yeah, I think
Okay, all right. Please start whenever you're ready.
so like last year, me and my family going to a trip uh, at Halong Bay. Yeah. Mm,
Dùng giới từ lung tung quá.
uh, okay. So basically, last year, me and my family going to the last to Halong Bay to for visiting my um, uncle. So
Nhanh lên con, vì chỉ
and
có 2 phút thôi, nó rất là nhanh.
for 3 days. Mm.
Can you keep going, Chung Hu, or not? You still have nearly 45 seconds. Can you think of anything else, Chung Hu, or not?
Yeah, no, I can't.
Okay, that's fine. Like I say, this gives me a chance to find out how difficult each student is finding this test. All right, thank you, Chung Hu. You can go back to writing the essay now. Any questions, Chung Hu, before you go?
No, I don't have it.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Chung Hu. So everyone, 5 more minutes, please. 5 more minutes to finish the writing.
Teacher,
Yes.
and I'm I didn't do the speaking test.
Leon, I didn't realize you had joined, Leon. Were you late?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, Leon. How long have you been here for, Leon?
I finished my writing test too,
Yep.
and I sent teacher my reading test,
Okay.
my answer.
Okay. All right, Leon. So I will send you the speaking topic now in chat, okay?
Yes.
All right. Can you see it, Leon?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, good. So you have 1 minute to prepare starting from now. Okay, that's the end of 1 minute, Leon. So you have 2 minutes to give me your talk. Please start whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, please start.
Uh, Last year I went to along with my class, and it's just my school trip, and we stay in the hotel near in the sea for in 2 days, and next to an hotel is an amusement park, and we can went to there to play whenever we want. I remember a memory that is a final party. We we can go to we can like sit around and sing the song, and like tell tell the share with each other the story I want, and like I re I really love that uh trip because it's my first time I play with my my new classmate, and I made my best friend at there, and yeah, I think that.
Okay, that's 2 minutes, Leah. That's the end of 2 minutes. Thank you. All right, good. Any questions, Leah?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right, so it's almost half past, everyone, so the class is almost finished. So you should have finished your writing by now. So I've given you more than 40 minutes to do the task 2 essay, because, of course, we were doing the speaking test as well. But even so, you should have been able to finish the essay by now, because I've given you more than 40 minutes. Remember, in the exam itself, you will only have 40 minutes to do the task 2 writing assignment. Okay, everyone, so you can stop writing now. Everyone will stop writing. Turn your cameras back on, please, everyone, so I can see you. Now it's the end of the lesson.
I can.
You can't? Okay, thank you, Fung Ling. Quang Ming, thank you. Ming Nok, I can't see you. Huang Ang, can't see you. That's okay. All right, so what I'm going to do, everyone, I will mark the writing test, okay? I will let you know the marks next week. Like I say, this giving you this test now gives me an idea of what level everyone is at and where each person needs to improve. So I will let you know all about that next week. Does anyone have any questions before we finish the lesson? One thing I will say with the speaking test, remember I told you this when I was in Hanoi, okay? You must practice using this, everyone, all right? Practice speaking into the phone, practice recording yourself. For those of you who find it hard to speak for 2 minutes, just start off with 30 seconds. See if you can speak for 30 seconds. I know 1 or 2 of you also may be found thinking of something to say a little bit difficult. A topic like a memorable holiday or trip or experience is quite a common question in part 2. So it will pay you to have something in the back of your mind, an experience that you can talk about, that you've already thought about. Like I say, this sort of question is quite common. So just have something in the back of your mind that you can quickly think about. If you get a topic asking you about a memorable trip, a holiday, or an experience, have something in the back of your mind that you can adapt to use for a topic like this. So that's the end of the lesson for today. Thank you, everyone. Like I say, great to see you all again. And it was really fun for me seeing you all in person, face to face. And I can't wait till we do it all again. So in the meantime, like I say, I will mark your essays, let you know the results next week. So I hope you all have a great week. And I look forward to seeing you all again next Sunday. Thank you, everyone. Gap Lai Sao.